Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Accord front bumper. We'll cover everything from preparing the area and gathering necessary tools to applying the repair material and finishing touches. Our easy method is quick, effective, and requires minimal expertise, making it accessible to anyone with basic DIY skills. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to a damaged bumper and hello to a like-new finish, let's get started. For minor scratches and scuffs, start by thoroughly cleaning the affected area. Next, use a fine grit sandpaper, like 320 grit, to gently sand down the scratches until they are smooth. After sanding, apply a matching touch-up paint or clear coat. Finally, polish the area to blend the repair seamlessly with the rest of your bumper, making those small imperfections disappear. When dealing with dents, a heat gun can help reshape the plastic. For cracks, a two-part plastic repair epoxy, like JB Weld Plastic Bonder, is effective. Apply it to the crack, often with a mesh reinforcement on the back. Once cured, sand the area smooth, starting with 80 grit and finishing with 320 grit sandpaper. Then, prime and paint the section to match your bumper's color. After your repairs, allow ample time for all materials, especially paint, to fully cure. Applying a clear coat will add a layer of protection and enhance the finish. To keep your bumper looking its best, regularly clean and wax it. Remember, for very severe damage, or if you're unsure about any step, consulting a professional body shop is always a wise choice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.